What's up guys, this is Kitchen Confidence, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make handmade brioche. First thing that we're going to want to do is make our yeast mixture. We're going to combine our sugar, our dry active yeast, and our warmed milk, warmed up to about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to mix that up, and then we're going to let that sit for 30 minutes. Once that's ready to go, in another bowl we're going to add our flour with the yeast mixture, and then we're going to add our melted butter, and then we're going to add our 3 eggs. Once we have that in the bowl, we're going to slowly mix this. We're just going to mix this until it's all incorporated. We want to make sure that there is no longer any dry flour. It's going to be a nice smooth dough. There's not going to be any dry spots or anything like that. Everything's going to be combined, no lumps. You want to get this as smooth as possible. Just keep working that until you get a nice smooth dough. Once you have that dough set up nice and smooth, you're going to cover it and let it sit in a warm spot for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, unwrap that dough. Use a bigger bowl, don't do what I did. And you're going to knead the dough. And you're going to knead this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Take it out of the bowl, turn it onto your cutting board or your work surface, and grab yourself a bench scraper. If you have a plastic one, it's going to work wonders for you. I've got this metal one. It's the only thing I've got, so I'm going to use this. And all I'm doing is turning this dough over on itself. I'm folding it over, and I'm just going to keep working this dough like this for 15 minutes. And when it's nice and smooth, you'll be able to tell the difference. Right here, I'm using the scraper by itself, and I'm not using my other hand. Right there, it's nice and tight. It's starting to build up to the way that we want it to be. Once you have it this smooth, you're going to pop it into the bowl again, and then we're going to cover it and let this rest now for 1 hour. And we're going to let that double up in size again before our final proofing. So once it's doubled up in size, we're going to take it out again. This time, we're going to divide this up. Now, depending on how many buns you want, you can cut it into the amounts that you're looking for. I'm going for 4, so I'm just cutting this into 4 pieces. And try to get them as equal as possible. You can weigh it out if you want to, but not necessary. I'm going for rustic looking buns, so I'm just eyeballing it, and I'm going to roll this using the bench scraper again. So I'm just folding it on itself and letting it just come together. But I'm not going for like the really mechanical look of a perfect bun. I don't mind it being imperfect. So I'm just rolling this up, tightening it with the scraper, and then I'm putting it on parchment lined sheet tray. Now you can spray the sheet tray with some cooking spray. That'll help you remove the buns after they're done. We're going to sprinkle some flour on here as well. That's going to help to keep the plastic wrap from sticking to the dough when we go to remove this. Let this sit for about 10 minutes. It's going to proof a little bit more. We're going to take the plastic wrap off. We're going to brush the dough with egg wash and then throw it into the oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And then you're going to end up with these beautiful brioche buns right here. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And remember, kitchen confidence starts with you.